lang namin guys. Last ko sa anak ni Mister. And may binigay na ganitong mango. With dark chocolate. Ayaw daw niya. Eh, meron pa kami ganito from Philippines. 3. Sabi ko kay Mister ibigay lahat. Swap. So, magluluto lang si Mister ng beef tonight. Guys, magpapansit na lang ako. Happy New Year! Wala kang frutas. Di yata uso dito yung 12 fruits. Gawa pala tayo ng salad. I'm gonna make this salad. So, I won't get really frozen. Is she okay? Did you check her?
She was okay. She's on the tummy.
You want mama? Hmm? Mama! Mama! We can't open this. Can you open it, please? Can you? I'm only gonna cook one. One only. Ooh! Ooh, I touched the beef. Oh, it's so hot. Can you put some water, please? Okay, I'm sorry. Mama's squeezing you. Mama's squeezing you.
How much?
I think it's better here. Let me see. Yeah, make it full. But wash that first. Thank you. I made your phone wet. Phone wet. Init. Gawa na tayo guys ng fruit salad. Basang ko lang tong mga kan natin kasi maalikabok. So in air fryer lang ni Mister yung kaniyang beef na lulutuin. Ito natin beef. Guys, ilagay ang ating salad. Fruit salad. Masarap sana to kung buko salad. Kaso wala naman tayo sa Pilipinas. Kaya fruit salad na lang. Parang ang liliit pati ng kanilang fruits. Diyan ko to ng Eden cheese or yung soft cheese na lang na binili ni Mister. Huh? Right behind me again. I'm gonna use this leftover milk first. Can you pass me the... Hello! Double cream. She's smiling. The double cream and the condensed.
And that?
Yeah. And then the raisin. This is nice with the raisin. Lagyan natin ng raisin. There, on the Tupperware. Yeah. Thank you.
Ito? That for you.
Okay. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open the condensed. I want the... Can you get me the... Are you okay? I need the can opener. You're being squeezed there.
Let me do the pan. Let me do the tea.
Huh?
Let me do it.
Why?
Oh, this one. I'll show you what.
I know how you're gonna do it the other way. Like that?
I'll use the knife and put a V in it. Better. Don't use that. Hold this. You'll see.
Aray ko. Papa will do it. Papa will do it. Papa will do it. Hello.
With that?
That's what we used before when I was young. I can open that with that only.
Just do this.
Yeah. You got it wrong actually. That's condensed. You must open it all because it's so sticky. That's not a bop. It take ages. You must open it all, mister. That's not a bop.
It will come out.
No. You have to open it all. I know what you're thinking, but it's not gonna work there. It's too sticky. You only made a mess there. You okay, little one? Yes. Okay. Lagyan natin ng raisin. Parang Eden cheese na lang ang ilalagay ko, o kaya mozzarella siguro. Madami pa tong mozzarella. Ito na lang ating gamitin para hindi masayang. I think this is good enough. Pero parang gusto ko pa siyang lagyan ng cheese. So, kung saan gumawa ng salad, guys, wala pala akong ibang ingredients ng salad. Yung leaf. Ako naman, guys, ay magre-ready na ng ingredients. Asan ang ating kutsilyo? So, pansit lang kami tonight ni Mister. Kasi napakuluan ko na yung ating chicken. Yung breast. At tapos, yung gulay ko is pang pansit lang talaga. Gusto ko sana magpalabo. Kaso, parang mas masarap ang pansit. Naalala ko bigla, guys. Binuksan ko kasi yung ref namin, yung freezer. Magpa-prawn sana ako, buttered prawn. Nawala na sa isip ko. Hindi ko agad na ilabas. Late na. Hindi ko na muna iluluto yung hipon. Pag ano na lang. Bukas. I forgot to, Mister. Kalimutan ko. Ayan. I forgot to defrost the prawn. I want to make some buttered prawn.
No need.
Yeah, tomorrow. Or some other day. She okay? Try to put her down on the sofa.
Just try and she had a bit of a cry.
Or like,
Yes,
she wants to be with you.
she wants to be with someone.
She wants to be cud.
Never mind her feelings.
Tayo magluto na, guys. Pansit. Naging favorite ko na itong wok na binili ni Mister para sa akin. Ay. Para sa mga pansit-pansit talaga to eh. Pasta, ganyan. Napadami ating mantika. Pinuwasan ko ating mantika, guys, at naparami. Tayo magluto na nga. Napadami ang aking sibuyas. Uy, gandang-ganda talaga dito, guys, na paglutuan to. Sarap niya paglutuan. Maglagay na ako ng sesame oil. Para umamoy na siya. Ang bango. Lagay na natin ang chicken. Lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce na para lumasa na to. Kinamay na natin ang ating gulay. Ang ano lang, guys, wala itong takip nung binili namin. Kaya maliit na takip pa rin ang aking magagamit. Ganda sana kung may takip siya na sarili, yung saktong-sakto. Kaso wala. Pero okay lang naman. Maglagay tayo guys ng chicken cubes. I'm so sad. Last na ito. Mahirap humanap ng chicken cubes dito. Wala akong nakikitang chicken cubes sa Asian store na pinupuntahan namin ni Mr. So half lang ilalagay ko para lang dagdag lasa. Lalagay ko ng ating cabbage. Para maluto-luto na sila lahat. Then mamaya na yung noodles. Lagyan pa natin ng water. Pinagpakuluan ng chicken. Luto na ang beef ni Mister. Tapan nga natin to. Ang liit ng takip. Check natin guys ang beef na niluto ni Mister dito sa air fryer. Oh, mukhang sunog. Tingnan nyo guys. Mukha namang siyang okay. Sabi ko kay Mister, ayoko ng medyo hilaw-hilaw na nadugo-dugo pa. Ay, mukha naman siyang okay. Lalagay ko na guys ang ating noodles para maluto siya kasabay ng ibang gulay. Ay, sayang. Siguro naman hindi na magpuputol-putol ang aking noodles dito. Malaki na ang ating kawali. Lutuan. So, yan. Hayaan muna nating ma-absorb. Para hindi madurog. Mamaya ko na ulit haluin. Hello. Luto na guys ang ating pansit. Hindi siya masyadong maitim. Pero titikman ko baka matabang naman. Sobrang light. Luto na yung pinaka-noodles niya. Hindi ko na inalis yung gulay. Kasi hindi pa naman siya ganun ka luto kanina. So hindi pa yan masyadong labog. Parang sakto lang. So kailangan ko matikman yung noodles. Medyo matabang. Kain pati buhok. Lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce pa. Oops, napadami ata. Tsaka itong sesame oil. At tsaka pepper. Parang kulang siya sa pepper eh. Maraming pepper, mas masarap. Although hindi ko siya masyadong hinalo ng hinalo. Pero kasi yung lutuan natin is maganda na. Hindi siya makipot. Kulang celery. Masarap ito may celery o kaya kinchay. Napansin ko pala, ang kinchay pala nila dito, parang iba ang lasa. Parang matabang or walang lasa. Parang ganon. Masarap pang mag-celery ka na lang.
Can you take some milk? Can you take?
What is it? Ooh! Ay! Ow! So heavy. Ouch! My wrist. Ito lang ating handa, guys. So, ayan. Looks yummy. Ooh. This will. Hi, why they're so small? Okay, I'm gonna have this then. And then this will be here for the salad. Did I scare you? Did Mama scare you? You happy? You happy? You on the table? Thank you.
I cut you some thinner strips.
I don't think if I still know how to use a chopstick.
I think that kettle will boil now.
Papa give us a nice thin slice of beef. You want some, little one? Let's eat, guys! Happy New Year! Chopstick pa tayo. Marunong na. Nalimutan ko na mag-chopstick. You okay? Are you okay?
You want some?
Yeah, please. I'm gonna put on the beef. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Enough.
Win.
Enough!
You know?
Yeah. Is it hot? Really hot? I like the toasted part of the beef. They're nice.
I know, that's why I gave it you.
They're good. Mm-mm. I don't know how to use chopstick na. They're gone too short again. My noodles. Ah! She's moving my plate. I'm gonna use fork. Sino naman ang ating noodles? They're short. Hello. And friend. You watching, Papa?